All right, Team Deviate. We're gonna remove this rear bumper on a 2021 Tesla Model 3. And if you look at my previous video, we showed an in-depth description of how to remove the front bumper cover. Now, we're moving on to the rear. Tools needed are the same tools. The only thing we added was the 8mm, the T20, and this one here. So it's pretty much, here's all the tools you're gonna need, which is a 10mm, extension, ratchet, stubby, pick, clip lifter, 8mm, T20, panel clip remover, and this one. All right. First, we're gonna start off by removing these clips right here. There's one on the other side as well. What tools are you using today?
The panel popper and the pick.
There you go. Dun dun dun. Can he remove a clip? There you go, sir. And back to the other side. Okay, now what are you gonna do? Remove this?
Now we're gonna remove this upper panel here.
Yep. So we're going to remove this panel to access the tail light. Now Adam, tell them what tool we will be using.
Simply a hand.
Check out the intricate. Nice. Now what are you doing?
We're gonna take off these nuts here.
Okay.
The 8mm.
Nuts. How many are here? Do you know? Is it two?
There's two.
Okay. So the tail light harness is right there, and you see that red pin. We're gonna slide that out, and then all right.
Next.
Okay, go ahead. Gently. Gently. Gotta be gentle sometimes. All right, what's under there? Nothing. Let me see that. That's all it is, okay? Next, he just pulls out. So basically what he did on that one, he tapped that. You tapped it, right, Adam?
Yes.
I don't know how faithful you are to the tail light. Never mind. So now he's going to remove the tail light. Tap that first. And you have to get a little gangster with it. Isn't that right, Adam?
Yeah.
There you go. Tail light out. So basically repeat for the other side. We're going to be essentially removing the bumper and finish wrapping it. That's why we removed the trim already, the mirrors, the accents. But you guys should already know how to do that. And I'm having a bad hair day. Man, ain't so gangster this time, huh, Adam? Sometimes you got it. There you go. He corrected me. You see the clips that are in there? Just so we know. Okay.
So we're gonna start by removing these plastic clips.
There's one there, one clip there, and then the other, there's one other one right there, and then behind it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. 3 clips. Then there's 10mm right there, and then the T20 should be right around here somewhere. Okay, I don't know if you can see it from here. Let's go ahead and start. So right now, he's getting his necessary tools ready. And while he's staging that, we've already got the Ziploc bag ready. It's just basically another way to stay organized. We mark everything and label everything. See, front bumper. Even though we've done it like a copious amount of times, and for those of you who do not know what copious means, it means shitloads. We still have to mark everything. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a T20. All right, you got all the clips and bolts out. Man, it sounds like my back in the mornings. So before we get involved, here, remember that T20 bolt I talked about? The little trick we like to do? Let's put it back together so that way later on you're not looking for it. Nice nails, Adam. Okay. So basically what he's doing here, he's doing the exact same thing on the clips on the other side. Now, he was already on this side. He could have taken out this bolt too, but while you have the necessary tools, why swap them out and then have to repeat the process over here anyway? So let's go back to that. Was that the 10 mil?
Yeah.
The 10 mil to remove this bolt, and this bolt is what's next. Just waiting on Mr. Adam. He told me he was ready. I guess not, but I'll pause it for a second. There he goes. So now that the bolts are out, you got to remove the bumper from the clips. What are you doing there, Adam?
Just pulling up.
Pulling up to create a little bit of pressure relief. I guess you can call that a blow-off valve tool. To release pressure. That makes sense, right?
Mm-hmm.
Who you got? I got a blow-off valve tool. So now we are under the bumper, and with a flathead. Is it lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, Adam?
I think something like that.
All right, so after the two clips, that just comes off like that, right?
Yeah, just pull it downwards.
Now what are you doing?
Now we're gonna pop these out. There's a bolt underneath there.
Okay.
And on each side.
Hold on, let me find it real quick. Okay, go ahead. I see it. The 10 mil has been exposed. Then you follow the bumper. There's one here and one here. Okay, then he's gonna come back to that one that was exposed. Yeah, and the clip. And then he's gonna move on to the other one. And repeat the process over there. Then when you go under the bumper, there's a 10 mil here, the counterpart over there somewhere, right there, and then under here is the other one, and over there as well. So now you're gonna remove those 4 10 mil bolts. Is it correct, Adam?
Yep.
Can you believe his battery died in the process? So now we got to go and swap it out for him. So while they swap out the battery, look what he's using. I like that grip, Adam. Looks like the galaxy right above you. All the speckles of whatever is on that trim. Hold on, Eric. What'd you say right now? What was wrong? The battery was not dead?
No, I changed it though.
Thank you, Adam. All right, you may proceed, sir. I'm checking the tires. The tires are good.
Towards you.
All right, now he's gonna pull down to create some clearance on top. There you go, sir. Meanwhile, during the filming of this video, Annabelle, our office manager, announced to me that she has to run to the hospital because Zach's baby is due. Now it's the harness again. Slide that back like so. There you go. And then the Argento So bumper stand. Look at that choreographed display of ballet movements. There you go. Bumper has been exposed. Removed. Have fun.